should you be teaching your kids to become rich, wealthy, or should you be teaching them how to become a smart investor? What's the difference between the two, and what should be the approach, Pratik?
Yeah, so I think you know, I think what I've seen in in my experience as managing money for people is that the investors make more money than smart investors. So I think if you look at a lot of our investors, the doctors, lawyers tend to make a lot more money than the smarter people or people who think who are smart because ideally investing is best done when it's left alone, where you invest and forget for life. So, I would definitely, choose to be investor over a smart investor. But, I think, coming back to the concept of delayed gratification, investing itself is, delayed gratification. I think, if you're looking at it, you have an option to either spend the money or invest it for your future. And I think somewhere everyone needs to understand the importance of the balance of spending today versus tomorrow. I think when it comes to, I think when you decide on, say, investing 30% of your income every month or every year, that itself is delayed gratification. You could really spend that money, and that is helping your future, and that's really building your wealth so that you're able to be financially free. I think with kids, honestly, what I've at least seen is that most parents want their kids to be happy. But unfortunately, keeping kids happy makes them unhappy because keeping them happy means giving them whatever they want, not whatever they need, and that's what really gets them to not learn delayed gratification. That's one. Second is that it's very important for kids to understand investing, but also experience failure, experience struggle, experience pain because that's where learnings come from, and that is also a form of delayed gratification where if your kid wants to get an internship somewhere, doing it on their own will not work for them. They may fail, but they'll probably learn a lot in life through that experience than just them having to experience. So I think overall, parents who are more comfortable with, having their kids struggle a little bit. Also, parents who teach their kids the importance of savings, of delayed gratification, end up being very successful. There's a very popular study done in Stanford, which is called the marshmallow test, which says and this has been studied for many decades, where kids who exhibited delayed gratification at a very young age end up becoming a lot more successful in their careers than kids who do not. So I think parents who are able to I think communicate this to their kids and making sure that they're not able to get everything on the spot, will be a lot better off for the kids in the future. Lastly, today we are looking at the biggest struggle in today's time is, as doctor said, is going to be everything is available instantly. So the internet, so I think overall, I think being able to navigate this world through a lens of everything being available instantly is going to be the biggest challenge for this generation. So I think somewhere I think the entire piece of delayed gratification is a lot more important for this generation than probably it was for us or maybe our parents.